Now let's talk about stems and where to place them on a note. So the rule for placing stems is if the note is on the third line or below, then we will put the stem on the right of the note. So if I have my note here, and this note would be F, then I would place my stem on the right of the note since it's below the third line. And that's what an F would look like. And the length of the stem, you want to be 1 octave. So here is my F on the first space, and then my fifth line F as well. So I would reach from there. Let's do another one. Let's say if I have the note D, which is 1 space below the first line. Well, since it's below line 3, I will place the stem on the right side of the note. And then since the stem is an octave in length, I find my D here, which is my fourth line, and then I draw my stem, and that gives me a D. Now, if the note is on the third line or above, then I would put my stem on the left side. So let's say I have my note, which is here. This is E. So I would draw my stem from the left side of the note and go down to the E, which is on the first line, since it's an octave. If I want to have C, I will draw my stem on the left side since it's above the third note. I'll draw my stem down an octave to right there where C would be if you were using a ledger line. Now if you have a note on the third line, you can either put the stem on the right side or the left side. It is up to you. So I have my note on the third line, which is B. I could go on the right side, octave above, or B again, I could go on the left side. So if you have the note on the third line, the stem could go either on the left or right side of the note. If you have notes below the third line, then you put the stem on the right side, and notes above the third line, you would put the stem on the left side.